Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Blackburn here for today's phonics and word work lesson over analogies. Let's go ahead and begin. All right, our learning goal and success criteria. Students will be able to identify analogies and understand how two words are related. Success criteria. I can identify how two words in an analogy are related, specifically part to whole relationships, and replicate that relationship with a different word pair. Okay, let's go ahead and begin. Chapter is to book, as article is to magazine. So in orange here is how we read the analogy, but in white, however, is how we would write it. Chapter, colon, is to book. Chapter is to book, colon, as article is to magazine. So it looks very different from how we write it to how we read it. What did you notice about the words chapter and book? Chapter and book, the first two words. Well, a chapter is part of a book, and an article is part of a magazine. We call this relationship part whole. Okay, let's look at some more. Did you know analogies are not always synonyms or antonyms? Ship is to fleet as character is to novel. So ship is part of a fleet as a character is part of a novel. How are the words ship and fleet related? How are the second pair related? Very good. That's what you have to ask yourself every time for an analogy. Let's try some together. Benefit is to a disadvantage as safe is to, so let's look at these first two words. Are they synonyms? Are they antonyms? Is it a part-whole relationship? Benefit is to disadvantage. Those definitely mean the opposite. So they are antonyms. So now I know I need to come up with an antonym for safe. Good job. You could come up with dangerous, hazardous, unsafe. Good. Now let's look at the next one. Skull is to skeleton as mask is to, again, look at the first two words. Are they synonyms? Antonyms? Part whole? Outstanding. A skull is part of a skeleton, so a mask is part of a costume, disguise. Any of those would work. Outstanding. Last one. Wheel is to bicycle as propeller is to, are these two synonyms, antonyms, or part whole? Looks like we have another part whole relationship. A wheel is part of a bicycle. So what would be part of a propeller? Part of a propeller could be a boat, could be an airplane, could be a helicopter. Fabulous. All right. In summary, you analyze the relationship between the first two words and replicate that relationship for the second pair to create an analogy. When you're finished with this video, you're going to complete a puzzle piece as an assessment on Schoology. Good luck, and don't forget, it's really important to look at the relationship between the first two words. Make sure you're thinking, are these synonyms? Are they antonyms? Is it a part-whole relationship? How are those first two words connected? And then make sure that you connect the other two words in the same way. Good luck with your assignment, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.